In primetime news this evening, irate passengers. Why the people who entered the island on a UK flight yesterday are furious. Hoteliers support the government's decision to ban flights from the UK, but the opposition questions. And how will churchgoers be celebrating Christmas and New Year in light of COVID-19 restrictions?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashan Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on Jamaica's travel ban on the UK?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Now please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.